I'm going to show you how quick and easy it is to add timers to your workouts. It doesn't matter whether you're adding a simple 15-minute timer or you want to replicate your Seconds Pro workouts with specific times on screen. First, let's start by getting the graphics into the project. One of the simplest ways is to open up your Explorer window and just drag all of your timers in. I've created a bin, a folder in my project here to organize things, so let's drop them in that. As you can see, we've got the workout timers that are based in seconds, as well as the longer 15, 20 and 30-minute workout timers. And then we've also got the rest timers as well. And then some extras like the end and get ready. Let's start by just dropping a simple 15-minute timer onto our workout footage. So this is just a still image, but for the sake of this demo, that's going to be our workout footage. We simply drag the timer that we want on the video layer above it, and there we have a timer which will run for the 15 minutes. So if you know your workout's 15 minutes and you want to just do a simple timer, that's the quickest way you can do it. Each of these 15, 20 and 30-minute timers begin with 30 seconds of get ready at the start and 30 seconds of end at the end. And you can shorten these if you want or get rid of them completely. It's up to you how you want to deal with that. Now let's drop on a series of different timings to simulate the same timings you'd use following Seconds Pro for your workouts or any other interval app that you might have. So let's start the workout with a 15-second move, and then a 10-second rest, and then another 15-second move, and then another 10-second rest. So as you can see, throughout the workout, that timer will click down, go to the rest timer, go to the next timer, which is 15 seconds, and then go to the rest timer. And you can build them however you want. And each of these building blocks just snap into position quite easily on your editing software. And as you can see from the timer right here, it's exactly on the second. So you won't have any sync problems with the workouts that you create and follow in your videos. So that's it. That's how simple it is to add them to your timeline. Now let's rescale and reposition them. They've been designed so they're slightly oversized, which means that you can scale them down without loss in quality. So let's take it down to about 80%, and then let's position this one in the bottom right-hand corner. Now, if we scroll through the timeline, you see the other ones aren't positioned yet, but we can fix that quite easily. You can simply copy the properties of that one you've aligned already, and then simply paste the attributes and properties, and all of them appear in the same position on screen. So that's how quick and easy it is to add these simple WASP timers to your suspension trainer workouts to bring up the production value of your video and make them easier to follow for your audience.